Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on accessibility functions such as voiceover, interaction and vision on the Twitter application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the search icon down below, which is the second option, and now click on the settings section in the upper right corner and click on the arrow button in the upper left corner. Scroll down till you find this accessibility, display and languages section. Tap on it. Click on the first option, accessibility. Here there are many categories such as voiceover. So if you tap on pronounce hashtag as hashtag, you can turn this on. The other function is include usernames in timelines, read shortened URLs. The second section is interaction, so you can turn on this magic tap action button or function. In the vision section you can see this increase color contrast, which will improve legibility by increasing the contrast between text and background colors. In the motion section you can find this reduce motion function, which limits the amount of in-app animations, including screen transitions and live engagement counts. The web browser section provides one function, open links in reader view. It will change text size, contrast and page layout on websites for improved readability. You can also receive image description reminders, which will enable a reminder to add image descriptions before a tweet can be sent. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.